गाइस ये है मोटो स्टैंड पेट्रोल पंप और यहाँ से आज हम जाएंगे फिटनेस प्लैनेट जिम में जो है चित्तरंजन रोड पे। तो चलिए चलते हैं। आप देख रहे हो सुबह सुबह कितने सारे ट्रक आते हैं। इन सब ट्रक में माल भर भर के आता है गोल बाज़ार मार्केट के लिए और ये सब ट्रक बाहर से आता है। तो ये हमारा डेस्टिनेशन है फिटनेस प्लैनेट जिम, 3rd फ्लोर पे लोकेटेड है ये। अभी हम जाएंगे यहाँ पे और रुक गए। ऑल राइट, सो दिस इज़ द जिम फिटनेस प्लैनेट and it's located on the 3rd floor and we are going to go and see how the gym looks. So you need to get upstairs, so come with me, let's go. So this is the 1st floor, it's a bank. Then this is the 2nd floor, it's Sri Ram Finance, located on the 2nd floor. Now we'll go to the 3rd floor. So as you can see, this is Phil Heath, ex Mr. Olympia. And yes, we have reached our destination, gym. So we'll go inside right now. Let me just open the door. So guys, now we'll enter our gym and see what kind of machines and facilities is provided. So when we enter the gym, we get the Fit Food counter. So in the Fit Food counter, you have all kinds of supplements like branched chain amino acid, creatine, mass gainer, protein shakes, milk, boiled eggs, and so many things. And instantly after you finish your workout, you get all your supplements. So this is the starting point of the gym and these are the equipments. So there's an ample amount of space to work out at your own pace. So they have a selfie board also with the name Fitbook. You can come and take your photos here. So this is the lat pull down machine and we can see straight, it's an inversion table. So inversion table basically helps you to get rid of your back pain if you have any. And here we have one lat pull down machine, a side raise machine, a cable cross and a T-bar with a leg curl and extension machine, and here is the leg press machine. Let's go inside and see more machines. So this is a multi chest and shoulder press, and so this is the benching area. So here we have all kinds of bench, flat, incline, decline, and also you can see preacher curl. Here is one hammer preacher curl and one pulley assisted preacher curl. As you can see there, Hulk is trying to say something. Come to gym and have a great body. So this is one of my favorite poster, Jay Cutler. So Jay Cutler is one of the he has been 4 times Mr. Olympia and he has a very great physique. Well, moving on, let's move on and see the other parts of the gym. So you can see a lot of mirrors around. So this is the squat rack. Well, you can see the dumbbells all lying around because we have taken our dumbbell rack for some modification. And so here is ample amount of space where you can work out properly because most of the gym lack this kind of huge space. So it's about 2600 square foot area where you can work out properly. And so this is the butterfly chest press machine, and yeah, this machine is also very unique because it helps you to work out on your obliques and gives you a good shape. So that's all about my gym, and yeah, I hope you like this first video about my gym. That's all. Keep watching Lifestyle Walks. Thank you.